Hi there, beautiful people. So you can see right now we are here on Google AdSense, and then on the top you can see this sort of the error, earning at risk. You need to fix some ads.txt file issues to avoid the severe impact to your revenue. So let me show you that how you can quickly fix that. So for that, what you need to do, just click on over here on the sides. On the left side you can see this option. Click over there, and now you can see it says not found, right? So what you have to do, by clicking on the website, likewise my website name is Raja Sai, and you're going to see your own. Click over there, and now you can see this. We have to add this code to our website. So for that, what you have to do, if you are using the WordPress, otherwise you need to create a file with ads.txt, and then you have to upload that file into the into your website root files, where is the through the cPanel. But in the WordPress, it's so simple. You need to go over to WordPress dashboard, and then you need to install a plugin. Just hover over there and click on add a new plugin, and search here the plugin name. I'm going to write over here the ads.text manager, and then you're going to see this plugin, right? So you need to click on install, and then you need to click on active. I have installed already, so I'm going to click on the active. The plugin name is ads.txt manager by 10 up. So you just need to click on, after installing, just click on active, and then here, let me go back again to the dashboard right now, right? So we have installed the plugin. Now scroll down, and here, however, over the settings, and then you're going to see ads text over there. Click on there, and then here we have to add that code, by the way. So we need to go back again to Google AdSense over here, and then now we need to copy that code. So I'm just going to copy and come back over here and paste it over here, and click on the save changes. That's it. It's very quiet and very simple to do. Once it's done, I'm going to go over here on the dashboard, and now let me to go back and let me to refresh it. So sometimes it takes times, otherwise the problem will be gone. Okay, now it says not found, so it means it's going to take some time. So if I'm going to click on again, okay, let me to refresh. Okay, now you can see that I have just refreshed again, and yeah, the pop-ups comes up again. So the reason is what, it's going to take some hours to update, but we have added already the code over here, this one. So yep, it's going to take some time, so we need to wait for the few hours, and once it's done, you will see there will be no error anymore over here. And let me see if, yeah, still we can see that. So for that, maybe we need to wait for the few hours, and then we need to check again. So let me see why it's going to give the error. It seems to be everything looks fine. Let me click on the check updates by clicking over here, and now it says yeah, ads.txt found. So I clicked on over for the updates, and now it says we got it. Click on OK, and then now you can see there is no error anymore. And now I'm going to go back again, and if I'm going to click on over here, let me to refresh it page, and boom, now you can see there is no error anymore. Oh, it's still showing. So yeah, it's showing for some reason, because it's going to take some time, but now you can see that we have already fixed that issue, and now it says authorized. That's it, and I hope this video is going to be useful for you. And if you have any question regarding that, you can ask me, or you need my help, you just need to go over here on my website Raja Sai, and then you can book a free discovery call, and you can see our feedback as well, by the way, the work we do. And that's it for now. Thank you.